The Abington has been designed and manufactured in the UK by ARC Bikes. Crafted from custom-drawn Reynolds Technology steel tubing and hand-brazed, each bike is meticulously built using ARC's state-of-the-art facilities. Machined stainless steel dropouts allow for a variety of drivetrain options and combine with large full-beam Marathon Plus tyres to deliver a comfortable yet responsive ride. Complete with disc brakes, a carbon belt drive, and a variety of hub gear options, including roll-off, each bike is configured by you, for you. Just choose from a range of options and ARC will do the rest. We also offer a 5-year warranty on each Abington bike. You can also choose to upgrade your Abington to an electric bike with the E2 Pod Intelligent Drive System. Find out more and book your test ride today on our website, arcbikes.com.